Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Dyson Airwrap, the ultimate hairstyling revolution. Imagine transforming your hair with ease, mermaid waves in minutes. Before and after, witness the magic of effortless styling. Dry, curl, shape, smooth, no heat damage with Coanda technology. The Coanda effect, your hair's new best friend, no heat damage. See how 3 different women achieve salon results at home. Versatile attachments for every style, every occasion. From barrels to brushes, it's all in the box. Innovation at its finest, tested for perfection. Sleek styles, flawless finishes, be your own stylist. Speed, ease, versatility, your hair deserves the best. Style without compromise, thanks to Coanda Airflow. Hear from those who've experienced the Dyson difference. From ordinary to extraordinary, mermaid waves await. Sleek design meets powerful performance. That's Dyson. Complete your styling arsenal with Dyson's full lineup. No heat damage, just stunning styles every time. Everything you need in one stylish package. Step-by-step guides make it simple and easy. Dyson, a name synonymous with excellence in styling. Transform your daily routine into a luxurious experience. Smart styling for the modern world, welcome to the future.